Good morning, children. Today we are going to discuss about different modes of asexual reproduction. Do you remember what is meant by asexual reproduction? Asexual reproduction is the production of offspring from a single parent without the fusion of gametes. So, in this reproduction, only a single parent is involved. Let's discuss the characteristics of asexual reproduction. They are, if you observe, only one parent is involved in reproduction. Next, new individuals are exactly identical to the parent as single parent involved. The cell division is mitotic or amitotic and the mode of multiplication is fast. These are the characteristics of asexual reproduction. Now we are going to discuss about the different modes. In that, the first process we are going to discuss is fission. Children, what is meant by the term fission? Fission means divide, to divide. In this topic, we are discussing about two types of fission, that is binary fission and multiple fission. First, we are going to discuss about binary fission. That also, we are going to observe this in amoeba. Binary fission is nothing but in unicellular organisms, cell division which leads to creation of new species. Cell division or fission which leads to creation of new species. Here, the creation of new species will result in new offsprings. What does it mean, children? The single cell divides into two by a simple process of cell division. So, as the definition itself shows that binary fission is nothing but division of single cell into two. In unicellular organism who shows somewhat organization such as leishmania. Now we have observed the binary fission in amoeba, but there are some unicellular organism which shows some body organization. What is that body organization? If we observe the structure of leishmania, it contains a whip-like structure flagellum at one end. In that case, how can the individual divides by binary fission? In that case, the fission occurs in a definite orientation starting from the whip, then it goes on. In this way, in leishmania also binary fission happens where the organism divides into two. The next type of fission we are going to discuss is multiple fission. Now we are going to observe this multiple fission in the organism Plasmodium. Children, do you know anything about Plasmodium? Plasmodium is a parasite. This is the causative organism of the disease malaria. Understand? The disease malaria is caused by the parasite Plasmodium and it is carried by mosquitoes. Now let's see how multiple fission occurs in Plasmodium. What is meant by multiple fission? Binary fission means division of the cell into two. Here, the cell divides more than two. Number of cells are developed from the single organism. That is called as multiple fission. Understand, these are the two examples which we have discussed in fission. Are you clear with the process fission, children? Let's go to the next process. The next mode of asexual reproduction, what we are going to learn is fragmentation. Can you observe the picture now? The process of fragmentation now we are going to observe in Spirogyra. Here they have given an activity in the textbook, children. It's nothing but we have to collect the pond water. In that pond water, we can observe the green colored filaments. If we observe such filaments under the microscope, we can observe the structure which you are observing now on the screen. How the asexual reproduction occurs in Spirogyra? Let's see. Spirogyra is a simple multicellular organism. Understand? In this process of fragmentation, the Spirogyra divides into small pieces after maturation. Now what happens, these fragments or pieces, they develop into new individuals. But you don't think like that. This process of fragmentation occurs in all different multicellular organisms. It occurs only in Spirogyra because it is a simple multicellular organism. What is the difference between simple multicellular organism and complex multicellular organism? Simple multicellular organism means just it is made of group of cells. Whereas complexity means here the cells are grouped into tissues, tissues are grouped into organs, and organs into organ systems, and finally into an organism. In that way, they need to use more complex ways for reproduction. Basically, a basic strategy involved in complex multicellular organism is different groups of cells perform different functions. Okay, children, are you clear with the process of fragmentation? Just this organism divides into fragments, and these fragments are developed into new organisms again. Let's go to the another type of asexual mode of reproduction, that is regeneration. Now we are going to discuss about regeneration in planaria. What is this process called? Different organisms have the ability to develop into new organisms from their body parts. Okay, if the individual is cut into different parts accidentally, then what happens? The organism was able to develop into new organism. Generally, we can observe this type of regeneration even in Hydra also. But now you are observing the process of regeneration in planaria. You can see the single individual there, where the single individual divides into different parts. From the different parts, the organism was able to develop into the whole organism once again. The thing here, the important point or the key point to remember is regeneration is carried out by special cells. What are the special cells? These special cells are present in the body of the organism. These special cells proliferate and they will develop into large mass of cells. When these cells develop or undergo changes, they develop into new organism again. These changes generally takes place in an organized manner. Then only the organism can develop into the new organism once again. However, it is not same as reproduction, children, because all the organisms, they cannot reproduce into new organisms by their lost body parts. Understand? That is why we are discussing about these two examples, planaria and hydra, in where regeneration occurs. Is it clear, children? Is the process is clear to you? Next, go to the next asexual reproduction, that is